Welcome students. In this lecture we will discuss about important theories and models of atom. First of all, the idea of atom was introduced by a Greek philosopher, Democritus. He said that atoms are the building blocks of matter. After him, John Dalton in 1805 introduced the first theory of atom, which is known as Dalton's atomic theory. He discussed in his theory that Dalton proposed the first atomic theory. He explained that all matter is made of atoms. Atoms are indivisible and indestructible. All atoms of a given element are identical in mass and properties. And he also said that compounds are formed by a combination of two or more different kinds of atoms. And he explained that a chemical reaction is a rearrangement of atoms. After John Dalton, J. Thomson introduced his atomic model. His atomic model il- his atomic model is also known as plum pudding model. He explained in his model, he said that atom is the sphere of positive charges and electrons are embedded in them. Here is the Thomson's model of atom. He explained that the atom is the spherical cloud of positive charge and electrons are embedded into them. Thomson believed that the electrons were like plums embedded in a positively charged pudding. Thus, it was called the plum pudding model. Hence, Thomson's atomic model is also known as plum pudding model.